Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. As you can see, we are back to the super chill unboxing setup and I have a very interesting product for you. So this is the Poco M3. Now, this phone right over here was supposed to come before the launch, like it was supposed to come to me under embargo, but there were some issues with the transit, the phone got lost and then they had to send another one. But nevertheless, finally this phone is here. As they say, it's better late than never. That's why I'm very glad that this phone is finally here. And now let's go ahead and unbox this phone in our super chill way. Alright, right off the bat, there are some specifications of the phone written on the back over here. For example, it has a 6000 mAh battery, which is a huge battery for this price point. Then there's a 48 megapixel AI triple camera, but only one of them is useful. The second and the third camera are macro and depth sensors, which are useless in my opinion. Apart from that, there's a Snapdragon 662 processor and a full HD Plus display with Corning Gorilla Glass 3. So this is a very big point over here that it comes with a full HD Plus display at this price point. Now the color that I've got over here is the cool blue color with 6GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. This variant over here comes for 10,999. Now I really like the yellow color as well. I wish that they sent me the yellow color, but that's not the case. This is the blue one and let's go ahead and unbox it. I've got my tester over here, Tester OP in the chat guys, Tester OP. Alright, this is a yellow box and it has another box inside it. Now inside this box we have a SIM card ejector tool first, and then there is some paperwork and a clear case. The paperwork is not important, so I'm going to keep it aside, and there is a clear case inside the box. Now the quality of this case is pretty normal, nothing exciting over here, but it's good to see that they are providing a case. Now the Poco C3 did not come with a case because of its lower price, but the M3 does have a case inside the box. So that was the case. I'm going to close this box and keep it aside. And next up we have the phone itself. Now as I said, it is in this cool blue color, which according to me is a very good color. Like I saw the renders but I did not like the renders, but in person this color is really good and it has this leather finish. Like this finish is excellent, man. I've never seen this finish on a smartphone before. Nice. Now let me quickly remove the IMEI sticker over here and I'm going to keep it inside the box. Alright. Now right off the bat, the design of this phone is pretty unique, especially the camera module over here. It's a very cool look and even the Poco branding is right this time. It's not too big, not too small and looks good. I really like the design and size of this phone. It is not a huge phone. It's a normal size phone and that is excellent. Now let me go ahead and quickly turn on the phone. Alright, while it turns on, let's see what all do we get inside the box. So apart from the phone itself, there is a charger and a USB Type-C cable. So this is a standard USB Type-C cable, and apart from that there is an 18 watt fast charger, I believe. Let me see the rating. Yep, 5 volt at 3 amperes or 9 volt at 2.2 amperes. So 18 watt fast charger inside the box. Now technically this is not going to be a fast charger because of the huge battery. Like this phone comes with a 6000 mAh battery and that's why it's going to be a normal charger and not a fast charger. So please keep that in mind. Now let me keep everything inside and let's get back to the phone. Alright, first up I'm going to put the case on the phone over here. It fits snugly, I guess. Yep, it does fit very snug and that is excellent. Alright, there we go. This is how the case fits and also shows the color. If you buy the yellow color, this case is going to be very good for you. Now let me quickly go ahead and set up the device, and as this is a Poco device, we are not going to get ads. We will get the ads option, but we are not going to get the ads. Like, I hope you get the point. Anyway, let me quickly go ahead and set up the device. Alright, time to set up the fingerprint sensor. The fingerprint sensor is on the power button over here. Alright, it is added successfully. Now here we go. We are getting the option of user experience program, diagnostic data, personalized ads. I'm just gonna turn everything off because I want none of them. Now we do get these options, but Poco says that you won't get ads, and that is a good thing. Now here we go. While I'm setting up the device, I'm getting this option as install apps to get 20 rupees cash. What is this? I don't want this while I am setting up the device. Like, this Get Apps app is very irritating and it keeps sending notifications. So if someone from Poco is watching this, I know that you're doing a good job by not giving ads, but this Get Apps needs to go as well. It's very irritating and this is something that I do not want. I did not pay for this, so please take this feedback. It's a very important one. Alright, so the phone is set up and it's time to go to settings and check the Android version. We go to about phone and Android version is Android 10 out of the box. Now I did ask the Poco team about this and they said that the Android 11 update will come soon, but they did not give a timeline, which is what concerns me. They should have given a timeline and said, yes, we are launching it with Android 10, but don't worry, Android 11 will come in a month or a couple of months or so. Now when they don't give a timeline, it's open-ended and it can come in a month, in a week, or maybe in a couple of months as well. So I don't know what's gonna happen, but yeah, it comes with Android 10 out of the box, which is a con in my opinion, because Android 12 is coming in a month or so. Now Poco phones do not have ads, but these phones do have a lot of bloatware and pre-installed applications, like these games over here, Title Fun, Bubble something, Crazy Juicer, and MX Takatak and all these apps. I do not want these apps, so you will have to uninstall them when you get the phone. So it's not bloatware free, it does come with a lot of bloatware. Now let me give you a quick physical overview of the device. So on the left side over here, we just have the SIM card tray. On the right side over here, we have the volume rockers and also the power button, which doubles as a fingerprint sensor. On the back side, we have the camera module where we have the triple camera setup. On the top, we have the headphone jack, the IR blaster, and secondary noise cancelling microphones. On the bottom, we have the speaker grill, the USB Type-C port, and the primary microphone. Now this phone comes with a triple camera setup on the rear side, a 48 megapixel primary camera, then a 2 megapixel macro camera, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The remaining two cameras are useless, but I am interested in the main camera. So let's go ahead and test the camera. So we'll open the camera app, allow while using the app. Okay, and here we go. I'm just gonna quickly take a photo of the plant over here. Maybe one more of the camera setup. One of these headphones over here. One of the box. And now let's review it. So initial impressions are that the camera seems really good actually for the price point. It is able to capture some good images. But as you know me, I will do my testing thoroughly and I will make a dedicated camera review of this phone. So please stay tuned for that. Now it's time to click a quick selfie because that is very important. I'm going to turn off all the beauty filters because I don't want any beauty filter. And that is a quick selfie. As far as the selfie camera goes, the selfies do seem a little soft. But again, I will test it out thoroughly and give you my final review in the camera review. Now, all in all, the Poco M3 is a very good package for the price. It starts at 11,000 rupees and for that, this is a pretty interesting phone. They have made a lot of right choices like the full HD plus display, the 48 megapixel primary camera, the 6000 mAh battery, and to some extent the Snapdragon 662 as well. It might not be the best and the most powerful processor, but for this price point it will get the job done. I'm pretty sure about that. So they have made a lot of right choices, and with the design as well, it looks good, especially in the yellow color. And for this price, it's a very interesting phone. I will be testing it out thoroughly, so stay tuned for future videos. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel because you don't want to miss coverage on this phone and upcoming phones like the Realme X7, X7 Pro, and even the Samsung F62. Yeah, I'm gonna buy all these phones. Anyway, this was the super chill unboxing of the Poco M3. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.